Hello friends, in today's video we will discuss personal protective equipments which known as PPE. These personal protective equipments are very important in industries for our safety, and of course if we are working in industry, safety should be our first priority. So let's move to our video and discuss personal protective equipments. But before that, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and get more informative video. Thank you. Safety equipments. What is personal protective equipments? So friends, personal protective equipments, commonly referred to as PPE, is equipment worn to minimize exposure to hazards that cause serious workplace injuries and illnesses. These injuries and illnesses may result from contact with chemicals, radiological, physical, electrical, mechanical, or other workplace hazards. Some of personal protective equipment items we will discuss in our video. Number first, safety glasses. Different industries require workers to undertake tasks that could be harmful to health. For instance, welding, bending, or chemical splashes could be dangerous for the eyes since the projectiles can hit the eyes. The best way to protect against such accidents is to wear safety glasses. Second, number 2, safety gloves. Same as the eyes, the hands are often exposed while performing some tasks. The key way is to wear safety gloves to protect hands from harmful chemicals and other particles. Sensitive materials and extreme temperatures are harmful to hands, and workers should protect against these by wearing safety gloves. Number 3, hearing protection. Workers are directed to wear hearing protections while working in plants. Several activities produce a higher level of noise, disturbing the human ear while working every day, or continue openness to such source of expanded noise levels can cause hearing problems. Utilizing ear protective tools can be to ex- can be of extraordinary assistance in shielding against these lethal incidents. Number 4, safety shoes. The tough shoes shield the worker's feet from potential wounds during industrial tasks. Security shoes are more agreeable, give a solid hold, protection from falling objects, prevent slips and falls. Number 5, rubber safety shoes. Rubber shoes go a long way to ensuring foot safety on the job. They prevent slips and falls. This allows you to work safely in wet, muddy, and slippery environment. They protect against falling objects and protect against burns and exposure to high temperature. Number 6, hard hats. Hard hats are required when working in areas where there is potential for injury to the head from falling objects. In addition, hard hats designed to reduce electrical shocks are required when working near exposed electrical conductors that may contact the head. There are many other safety equipments which use in different industries as per the requirements. All personal protective equipment should be safely designed and constructed and should be maintained in a clean and reliable fashion. It should fit comfortably, encouraging workers' use. If the personal protective equipment does not fit properly, it can make the difference between being safely covered or dangerously exposed. Thank you for watching my video.